Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to explain maximum depth of binary tree cheat code problem. So the question is given the root of binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. So here we can see the sample test case and also the output right here. So I'm going to tell you how to solve this problem. So this is the sample test case they have given. So we need to find the longest path to the leaf node that has the maximum height. So that's going to be 3, 20, 15, or else you can take 320 or 7. So to solve this problem, we are going to start from the root node that is 3. So the root node doesn't know the height of the tree that it has, so it's going to ask its children node. It is 9 and 20, so the 9 is going to ask its children. So the from the test case given, the 9 doesn't have any child nodes, so it's going to return 0 since it is null and it doesn't have any child nodes. And so the 9 is going to return 1 to the node 3, because it has to, we need to consider the 9 as uh, one level, and it's going to return 1 to the node 3. Then it's going to ask the node 20. So the 20 has its children, it's 15 and 17. So when we come to 15, the 15 is going to ask its child nodes, but it doesn't have any child nodes. So we are going to consider, if the child nodes are not present, we are going to consider as 0. So the 15 is going to return 1 to the 20. And similarly, when we go to 7, 7 doesn't have any child nodes, so it's going to return 1 to the 20. So we need to take maximum of the left and right nodes. So the maximum of the 1 and 1, it's going to be 1. So the 20 is going to return the maximum of left and right children plus 1. The 1 has came from the node 20. So because we need to consider 20 as an one level, so it's going to return to the 3, the final answer as 2. So we need to take the maximum of left and right nodes for the node 3. So it's going to be 1 right here for the left, on the right it's going to be 2. So the maximum of 1 comma 2 is going to be 2, and then we are going to return the final answer as the maximum of 1 comma 2 plus 1. It's going to be 2 plus 1, that is going to be 3. So I'm going to write the code right now. So I'm going to write the base case first. If root equal to null, we are going to return 0, else we need to return the maximum of left and right. left and right. My bad. Of the right and plus 1. That's it. That's the simple code for this problem. Okay. So that's the final answer. You can submit right now. Okay, it got accepted. That's it. Thank you.